Hello everyone, welcome back to another GFG POTD. So today's problem is find a closest pair from two arrays. So we have been given two sorted arrays, array 1 and array 2, and a number x, and we have to find a pair uh, whose sum is closest to x. Now the pair has to be created from one element from array 1 and the other one from array 2. So in this example, we have been given array 1 and array 2 and the number is 32. Now the pair 1 and 30, the sum is 31, which is closest to the number 32. If you take any other pair, then it will be further away from 32. In this example, 7 and 40 is the most closest to 50, and therefore this is the pair 7 and 40, and we have to return it as an array list. So for this, let's take one let's see how we can visualize this. We'll take two pointer I, which will be start of the first array, and j, which will be the last element of array 2. We are creating this so that we can create the maximum sum, not maximum sum, this array can be have bigger value, but we are creating the best scenario. So I and j, now the sum is 41. Our x, what is x? X is 32. Now the difference is 8. Yep. Is difference less than minimum difference? We have another variable that store the minimum difference we have encountered till now. So it is initialized with infinity. Is 8 less than infinity? Yes. So just update it 8, and we have two other variables, result 1 and let's say result 2, and it will store if we encounter a case that satisfy our scenario. So in this case I is 1 and it is 40. All right. Okay, now we will check, is sum greater than the number? Yes, it is greater. So we have to, since j is at the bigger number, so we have to reduce j, right? Now I is 1, j is 30. What is the sum? Sum is 31. What is the difference? Difference, we have to check the absolute difference. So 31 minus 32, it is 1. Is difference less than minimum difference we have encountered till now? Yes. So update 1 and update the value 1 and 30. So it will become 30. Now is sum less than the number? Yes, 31 is less than 32. So we will move I so that it creates a bigger number. Okay. So now the sum is 34. It becomes 34. What is the sum? What is the difference? Difference is 3. Now difference is greater than minimum difference, so we don't update. So now what is the sum? 34 greater, so reduce j. So like this we will proceed until I reaches end or j reaches 0. So let's see the code. We have the variable I 0 and j last element of array 2. We have a minimum difference, so this is the variable which is initialized with maximum value infinity. We have two variables to store the result, and we move till I reaches end of array 1 and j reaches 0. We do the sum, calculate the difference like this, the sum and the absolute difference. If difference is less than the minimum difference we have encountered till now, then we update the minimum difference and we update the variable to store the result. So this one, minimum difference and result. Now we will check, if sum is greater than x, then j minus minus. If sum is greater than x, then we have to reduce the sum, so therefore j is reduced. Else, if sum is less than the number, then we move I. So else I plus plus, and ultimately we return arrays. We return an array list. So we created an array list from these two numbers. So this is the solution. It's an easy one. Do practice and see you tomorrow in another POTD.